In this video, we are going to see that if you click on the vendors and payments like we have done recently, and you've done the payment already, but when you extract the partner ledger, you're unable to see the transaction right here. That's because we need to make some adjustments. Just go to the vendors and payments, open up this payment, reset it to draft and click on cancel. I just canceled this payment. And now before entering the new one, just click on the configuration and click on journals. And here we just set the bank configuration. I'll just head over to this. The bank account is already set to Standard Chartered Bank, but the incoming payments and outgoing payments for the manual payment is not set. So what we can do is we can just directly specify in both of these areas for Standard Chartered Bank, and that should take you to the settlement directly. After that, just click on the journals and open it again to make sure all the ledgers are set. And now we click on the bills and we want to pay against Anthony bill, and we click on pay against bank, manual payment, and we are paying 3,000. Payment difference is 1,500. I want to keep it open and the transaction date is of 18th of January, and click on create the payment. This time it is showing partial here. Now if we click on the vendors and vendor status, it's right now not showing, but if we just click on this, the customer statement is showing 1,500 now. And also if we click on the reporting and click on the partner ledger, we should be able to see the payments reflected right here. And now the pending balance is 1,500 as we can see. So this is how we can make all the adjustments so that it can hit proper accounts and also show it in the report updates. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.